Hello, dears. I am Kekedas, and today we are present at one agriculture field. And today, one tractor is plowing the agri crops field, and most beautiful weather today, and most beautiful naturals and wellness climates, and wow, well, and here is many birds. Here is many birds. Wow, be so beautiful. Hello, dears. Today, in this moment time, I have remembered uh, about the world scientist that they have always said about the natural sites. They have always said to grow the naturals, to grow the many trees, many crops, and it's right. It's also right that if in this art here is continue this world wellnessly by wellness naturally, then it's not come the no any problems about our art, because natural is all in all for our art. Wow, here is mostly well climates, and my dear peoples, uh, on the other hand, crops is mostly important for our life, and so you please give the importance to grow the many crops, and crops is mostly important for our world, and for our world all peoples, for our all lives. Crops is mostly important, so you please do this uh, grow these crops, and you please do the share this video in this world every side, and I have said by this video uh, to the all peoples that it's your all persons duty to grow the crops, to planting the trees, and grow the naturals, and it's important for our world and for this art. Hello, dear peoples. I am Kekedas, and today we are busy at this in this agriculture field side, and hope that uh, you please give the mostly importance about this video, and also do share this video in this world every side. Okay, thanks to all of you, and okay, thank you. Hello dears, I am Kekedas and today we are present at one agriculture field, and today one tractor is ploughing the agri crops field,